welcome everyone to my channel Master Talk. In this video we will learn about location of margin, padding and border. So what is the location of margin? Where it placed, means after the content or before the content. Like this, what is the location of padding, after the content or before the content? And if the margin is after the content or the padding is before the content, then what is the location of border? So let's check this location of margin, padding and border. So to understand better, just I take a diagram. You can see here that I take a HTML element, suppose a div element. In this div element I write location of margin, padding and border. This is the content, and I set this content background color to this color. Okay, so if I take a padding of this div element, thus this is a diagram. This is not properly shown in the browser. To understand you better, I will just presenting you like this. So as you can see here, this is the padding. This padding is inside the content, as you can see here. After that, if I take a margin of 20 pixel, this is the margin. Padding is inside the content and the margin is outside the content. This is the difference between margin and padding. So if the margin and padding is inside and outside the content, then what is the location of border? Where the border is located? If I take a border, then which place is taken? In here or in here? So let's see this first. So let's take a border of 10 px. Now as you can see here, I take a border of yellow color and it's in between the margin and the padding. As you can see here, it is in between the margin and the padding. And one more noticeable thing, that as you can see here, the margin is 20 pixel before I taking the border, and after taking the border it also 20 pixel. So the margin will always 20 pixel if you take border or not, because border has its own space. So if you take a margin 20 pixel like this in before, it will also 20 pixel if you take a border of 10 px. So that is the main thing you have to remember. So let's see this. As you can see here, I open VS Code editor and I write a basic HTML boilerplate, and in here I set a title, location of MVP, and also write some CSS, and in body tag I set a h1 heading. So heading title is location of margin, padding and border, and I also take a div element, means div tag, and in this div tag I just write it 100 words of dummy text. Okay, and this will reflected here, as you can see here. In this div selector I take a margin of 20 pixel and padding of 20 pixel, also background div pink and a border of 10 px solid green. So first what I do, just I comment it in and save this. This is no CSS applied here. Now what I do, just comment in everything except background. So I just set a background color and save this. As you can see here, the background color has been set to the div element. As you can see here, the space of this div element around is. Now see the padding. So before see the padding, carefully see the space between this element and the text. Now I just commented out the padding and save this. After saving, you can see here a space has been created inside the content, means inside the div element. As you can see here, the text has been pasted from 20 pixel everywhere, top, right, bottom, left, everywhere. So this is the padding. Let's see this again. I just comment in and save this. As you can see here, if I comment out the padding and save this, as you can see here, a 20 pixel space has been created, top, right, bottom, left, everywhere. Okay, so let's see the margin. I just comment out the margin and see carefully the space everywhere and save this file. As you can see here, the margin creates space outer side of this div element. So let's see this again. let's comment in and save this. As you can see here, there are no margin in div element. If I take a margin, just comment it out and save this. As you can see here, a 20 pixel of margin is created in top, left, bottom and right, everywhere. Now what I do, just comment in the padding and save this. As you can see here, this is the margin outer side of the element and there is no inside element space. As you can see here, if I just comment it out and save this, as you can see here, 20 pixel of space is created around the element. This is the main thing you have to remember, that the padding is created inside the element and the margin is create a space outside the element. Now see the border, just comment out and save this. The margin of 20 pixel, also the padding of 20 pixel space is same, but a border of 10px is created in between the margin and padding. So let's see this again, comment it in the border, save this. You can see here, see carefully the space of margin and the space of padding. Let's comment out the border and see here, carefully see here, just save this. And as you can see here, the inside space means padding is 20 pixel remaining. Also the outside space margin 20 pixel is same, but a extra space is created for border. This is 10px. So this is the location of margin, padding and border. So this is clear now, you can understand this. So thank you for watching. If you learn anything in our video, then support us.